see him?
Do the jingle. Someone do the jingle. Do the jingle.
RealSimJunkie.com, baby.
Got two coming left. Get tight, get tight.
out, he's out, he's out. That was tough. That was tough. Nice. Angelo! What's going on, bro?
Nothing much.
How you liking it today?
I'm liking it good.
Liking
Got a gun today.
Mag out, weapons on safe. Mag out, weapons on safe.
Mag out first. Stop. I'm on you, Bill.
Out. Pistol mags out. Mag out, shells out. Woo. Down.
Explain who you are and where you came from.
I'm Brian Kadama from Pleasanton, California.
Cool. And what do you have here, brother?
I have a Cybergun Thompson submachine gun.
Awesome. Awesome. As a base gun, how'd you like it?
It was really nice. I just kind of wanted to have a little fun with it. So I
And what do you explain? What do you got then?
I have just a regular reflex sight. I got a UTG tactical flashlight and a laser. And also upgraded the barrel from a 300mm to a 363. That's why I have to have this on, so it covers the top end.
Like a mock suppressor.
Yep.
Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
And what is all this stuff that you got? You got
This
a rail
is
down here. So how'd you do
For
that?
the laser, we drilled it with the help of my friend here.
What's up, friend?
And we drilled it and then just screwed it on. Momentary switch for the flashlight, and the button right here is for the laser.
So how'd you do the laser? Like, who's the genius behind that? You?
Wired it. Yeah.
You wired it?
Yeah, he did all the wiring and
Technical
stuff.
wiring. Oh,
Yeah.
nice, dude. Taking the Thompson to the new age, huh?
Yep.
Got rails
My tactical
everywhere.
Thompson.
Nice, for sure, dude. Awesome. How did it perform today at the city?
Really well, actually. First time actually running it with the new barrel, and it worked beautifully.
Nice.
It was great.
Nice. Awesome, bro. Good job on the technical work there. Can I get the white balance, please?
You want the white balance?
Yes.
You got
All
it?
right, we're good. We're good.
Okay. Hang on. It's like, oh, do you need your beast balance? I'll be right here.
Donnie, Dominic, you guys have been playing here pretty much as long as I have. What can I remember, right? Father's Day's coming up, right? Yeah. How has AIRSOFT in general, in terms of you and your son, like, is
It's a
it?
good bonding.
Yeah.
Bonding. Sometimes.
In terms of relationship with you and your son, like, how?
It's good. It's good. I mean, it actually make us a better. How do you say that? Badass. No, not badass. I mean, it
No, it increases that bond between you two. Am I getting that?
Yeah. The bonding is pretty good.
How would SB798 kind of affect that?
It would suck.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of stupid wearing all this camouflage uniform and then you got a pink gun.
Yeah.
Or neon green.
Do you think it would definitely take away from the experience that you and your son have here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Father's Day is coming up. Would you recommend this sport for a lot of father and son teams?
Oh yes, I do. It's highly recommended. It's a good bonding experience with me and my kid. Hoping to bring my daughter pretty soon.
Yeah, we've seen that a couple times.
Yeah.
All right, Donnie. Thank you. Happy Father's Day coming up, bro. All right, explain who you guys are, the father and son duo.
My name's Gordon, I'm the dad, and this is my son Kyle. Crazy.
Father's Day's coming up. And what do you have to say to a lot of the father and son duos out there that don't play airsoft? I mean, is airsoft a great sport for
For father-son, one of the
Yeah.
best. I can't tell you. I'm separated. I don't get to see him as much. We get to spend time together. We get exercise. He learns critical thinking skills. He learns teamwork. He learns social skills. This is by far and away one of the best sports to play with a son I can ever imagine. 49 years old. He's 12. One of the best.
How would like a build like SB798 affect you or affect the two of you as
Well,
players?
it's one less avenue for me to spend quality time with my son. This is what we choose to do. We choose to spend quality time together
By
this
shooting
way.
each other.
If
In a good
I
way,
can clean
yeah.
his room, he gets to shoot me.
Yeah, there you go.
That much better. If he doesn't clean his room, I get to shoot him.
Even though, wait, you haven't got me one Stockton rented.
Oh,
I've
wow.
got me 6 times. And
Here we go. Huge. And I've only been in airsoft now since January. This is by far and away one of the best sport quality time that I have ever found with my son.
Well, I want to say, Mr. Taylor,
Thank you, Art.
happy Father's Day coming up. If I don't see you,
Thank you, sir.
make sure you wish him that, because without him, you would not be playing the sport. I guarantee it.
Donut.
I appreciate your time, sir.
Wilson Junkie rocks.
Thank you, sir.